how to generate QR code in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just open up a blank design like this one. Now here, in order for you to generate one, you can just click on apps here at the left side first, or hover your mouse over it, then search for QR code. Okay, now click on this first one here, click on that, and then you can just type in any of the URL here that you want to use. So let's say you can use your own URL here for your website, or you can just use the URL for any website. So let's say I'm going to use the URL for YouTube. Then click on generate code, or before you generate, you can customize it as well. The background color and the foreground color, and then the margin as well. Okay, so let's say you're done with that, you can just click on generate code, and there you go. Now try scanning this, and then you'll be transferred here, okay, to the URL that you just type here. So it's that easy. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.